So what I've got here is the K&F Concept 67mm lens cap. It looks like it comes with a little lanyard as well as a cleaning cloth. And I bought this for my Sigma 16mm 1.4. So let's open this up and have a closer look. So it comes with two microfiber cleaning cloths. And those are really quite fine. So great for cleaning off your lens. And then the lens cap and strap. So kind of a bungee strap with an adjustable wrist on it. It's nice and handy. And then we've got the lens cap here. Again, this one's a 67mm. They are available in different sizes if you need them for other lenses. And we'll try this out on my Sigma 16mm there. So you just squeeze it. And it's got a really nice fit on there, nice and tight. And again, this is the K&F Concept 67mm lens cap replacement.